What's up, guys? This is Army Guy Travels coming at you from Taiwan, from Taipei City, and today we're going to talk visa runs. Now, most people that temporarily live in Vietnam do the bus runs. They go to Lin Visa in Da Nang or other agencies, mostly Lin Visa. They take the bus over to the border, same day, long day, return to Da Nang, have a new 3-month tourist visa, rinse and repeat. First off, I want to thank the Vietnamese government for allowing and being generous that we can actually have this option to stay every 3 months, right? I appreciate it, but let's talk about how I do it. I do things a little bit differently. So I get on a plane. I choose to not do the bus run just to reset my visa. What I like to do is take a trip, go see a new country, and explore. But let me explain how that process works a little bit differently. You have to make sure that no delays happen, nothing happens with your flights, and, because that can go really bad for you. So here's what I do. Let's say that my visa expires on the 6th of the month. I'll set up a flight to go somewhere like Taiwan for the 5th of the month. When I go through immigration, they'll stamp my thing. I stamp out. I get that page. I show that page, take a picture, send it to my agent. My agent then starts filing my paperwork. Then my paperwork gets filed. The following day, my visa expires at midnight, right? By 5 p.m., like clockwork, every single time that I've done this, I've done it 5 times already. Every single visa run, by 5 o'clock, I've had my visa without any problem on the following day. So day 1, I leave. Day 2, my visa expires. And day 3, I get my new visa. This is another option for you for visa runs. Now, let me explain how I went about this. So when I came to Vietnam, I went and got a regular visa through iVisa. This is an app that I use. I use it for a majority of my visas as I travel around to make content for you amazing people. But to renew it, you can't use iVisa because you have to leave the country to come back in, right? So I went on Facebook and I said, hey, I need a visa agent. Obviously, 15,000 people messaged you because that's how it is in Vietnam. Everyone's a visa agent. Everyone's a realtor. If you need an apartment, you make a post, you're going to get like 100 agents sending you messages. But the first guy I got was Andrew, aka Duong, from Joey Visa in Hanoi. And he was like, let me take care of you. I'll take good care of you, blah, 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 blah. And he has, without fail. I'm actually going to go have dinner with him when I go this summer to Hanoi. He has done my visas every time. He has done Peb Travels. He has done Philly Dom. He has done Bravo J. He has done Austin Holloman. I think he did Austin Holloman. He's done a bunch of other YouTubers that I've recommended and some of my friends. He did my little brother's visa. He did my friend Namdi's visa. He's done Friends of Friends. And so, I've been using Joey Visa now out of Hanoi for well over a year and a half now. And they've taken such an amazing job and done such a great job for me. So I just wanted to let you guys know that if you decide to temporarily make Da Nang your home, because let's be honest, these 3-month visas, they're not going to last forever. And constant visa runs also aren't going to last forever. At some point, there's going to be immigration change, just as in every country, and we will have to follow it. But for now, we're allowed to have it, right? And it's just good to know that I have not only a good agent, but another option if I don't want to do bus runs, right? So just so you know, if you want to do it and you want to live here temporarily, you do not need to always do a bus run. If you want to go to Thailand for the weekend, you can do that. Preferably during the week, right? You want to do your visa run if you can during the week. Obviously, it's out of your control when your visa expires. I do the multiple entry 90-day. That way, because I travel so much. But you can get a 30-day single entry, 30-day multiple entry, 90-day single entry, 90-day multiple entry for Vietnam. So these are your 4 options. Then you can also get the marriage visa. You can get work visa to be a teacher. You can start a business. All of these are options, right? There's some other ones that I need to do some more research in before I talk about them on camera. But nonetheless, guys, I wanted to kind of explain how I do visa runs, because a lot of people think the bus is the only way. So from the beginning, let's start. So I contact Joey Visa about a week out. He sends me a link to pay. He already has my passport and my passport photo on file, so that's already done. Sometimes it'll have been a couple of visas, and he'd be like, "Hey, can you resend it?" Which is fine. I pay the fee, which is about $80, $85, and then that's it. And then I go to the airport when I fly out. I don't even wait till I go through security. The second that I get to immigration, let me show you guys what I do here. Second I get to immigration, they stamp it, my handy dandy passport, and I take a picture of this whole page and send it, because they need to see that whole page for your visa. And then I just send it to his WhatsApp. And then I'm done. And then a couple days later, I have my visa. So it's actually a pretty simple process, guys. Then you just jump on a plane and enjoy your trip. And then you'll get a message on WhatsApp with your new visa. And the good thing is, he's in Hanoi, so he's right near the government office. Easy to get it done. So I just figured I would explain the other way to do visa runs for Vietnam. I hope this helps you guys. If you have more questions, put it in the chat. Again, thank you, Vietnam, for allowing me and everyone else to be guests in your country. I love it. The people have been amazing. The food is great. The vibes are pretty awesome as well. So I plan on making Vietnam my home until next May. So that'll be a few more visa runs. And then moving on, because nothing is permanent, right? So I hope you guys get a chance to visit Vietnam. I am going to plug all of Duong's information into the description, and also you're going to see it pop up. I know, well, you guys have already seen it pop up all throughout the video. So guys, I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out to Duong as well, or Andrew, that's his American name, and ask him if he can help you out. So guys, I hope you have an amazing time. We just finished up our 4 days in Taiwan. Amazing. I hope you guys love the series of videos coming out of Taiwan. We're heading to Hong Kong in a few hours. We're gonna go explore Hong Kong tomorrow, make a video for you guys. Then we're gonna go to Malaysia for a few days. We're gonna interview 2 creators. That should be interesting, and then make some food content out there in Malaysia, so in Kuala Lumpur. Otherwise, guys, I hope you have a blessed afternoon, blessed night if it's the other side of the world, and just keep traveling, keep using your passport, keep getting stamps, and have a great day. And as always, it's free. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe.